Hi, this is just a short film to introduce our latest small pressure independent balancing control valve, the OPTIMA Compact. It is a product specifically designed for small flow coils such as passive and active beams or fan coils. It is manufactured from dezinkification resistant brass and is a PN25 product, able to control flows with pump pressures from 20 kPa up to about 400 kPa. This particular product is available both with and without PT plugs for pressure verification, and can be isolated to a pressure of 10 bar by winding the cap down to close. The way the valve works is that as flow starts to come towards the valve on the upside, the first thing that happens is that upstream pressure is transported by a small capillary in the valve up the centre stem and behind a diaphragm. And that diaphragm, together with the rest of the piston there, pushes closed the outlet of the valve. So the higher the upstream pressure, the more the outlet of the valve closes. But after the water flows through the inlet, which can be adjusted by the adjustable flow setting scale on the top of the valve, once it's inside the valve, the pressure from the internal pressure pushes up opposite the diaphragm, and together with a small force from the spring, the outlet of the valve finds a natural inlet. The total effect of this is that the pressure loss across the inlet is maintained a constant, although the pressure loss across the entire valve increases and decreases as the pump pressure changes in the system. The effect of this is that by the time we then introduce either a thermic or indeed a motoric actuator, whether it be on-off, modulating, raise, lower, the only way to affect the flow through the valve is through the signal going to the actuator. And this way, even down to very small flows, typically 0.008 litres per second, full stroke modulation through the pressure independent control valve is assured, even if the valve is set much lower than the 100% open mark. Okay, thanks for listening.